Never present your interior design ideas on a boring flat white screen again. Today we are building a professional bedroom concept board from scratch in Photoshop on the iPad. Let's build the foundation. Welcome back to DesignGoRhythm. I am Shelly. In this module, we are taking everything we have learned and creating a layout that will blow your clients away. We are starting with textures and swatches. First we need to set the mood. I am importing a beautiful subtle grey stone texture. For the background, scale it up to fill the whole canvas. This instantly makes the board look premium compared to stark white. Now let's build our color palette. Go to the toolbar, tap and hold the selection tool and choose the Elliptical Marquee tool. On a brand new layer, draw a perfect circle on the left side. To keep it perfect, hold down your secondary touch shortcut while dragging. I am bringing in image. Grab the color picker tool and sample the color. Now tap your paint bucket and fill that marquee selection, a perfect swatch. Create a new layer for each swatch. Draw your circle, sample your accent color like the wood of the table or the warm light of the lamp and fill. Line up the swatches neatly. Our foundation is set and the palette is locked in. In the next video, we are bringing in our furniture, stripping away the backgrounds and organizing our layers. Click next and let's start decorating.